Start by standing with your feet wider than hip width apart. Squat down, keeping your arms straight and allowing your elbows to be on the inside of your knees. Aim to keep a straight line to help evenly distribute weight across your feet. This is your starting position. Make a fist with one hand and press it firmly into the ground on the inside of the same side foot, using this hand as an anchor. Simultaneously, bring the same side elbow against the inside of the same side knee. Using the anchored fist and elbow as a lever, rotate your torso and extend your free arm directly upwards toward the ceiling. Aim to create a straight line from the anchored fist on the ground up to the hand reaching towards the ceiling. The elbow pressing into the knee helps facilitate this rotation and provide stability. Keep your feet flat on the floor throughout the movement, making sure your heels do not lift off the ground. Hold this rotated position for a moment, focusing on the stretch and rotation through your upper back and shoulders. Slowly reverse the movement, bringing your extended arm back down and returning to the starting squatted position with both arms straight and elbows inside the knees. Immediately press the opposite fist into the ground inside of the same side foot and press that elbow into the same side knee. Rotate your torso in the other direction, extending the free arm above and aiming to create a straight line from the anchored fist to the hand reaching towards the ceiling. Hold this position for a moment before reversing back to the starting position. Continue alternating rotations, performing the prescribed number of reps. Squatted windmills are a dynamic exercise that challenges multiple aspects of physical fitness, including balance, coordination, flexibility, and strength. Regular practice can improve functional movements in daily activities by enhancing the mobility of the thoracic spine and strengthening the stabilizing muscles of the core and lower body. As always, don't push past any pain and remember to breathe.